Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to change your WhatsApp app icon color on Android and iPhone. Okay, let's get started. First, go to Google Play Store, tap on search bar, search for WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp and check update your WhatsApp app. My WhatsApp app updated to the latest version. Okay, now open your WhatsApp app and tap on three dot line, tap on settings, scroll down, then tap on appearance and tap on apps icon, and now select your choice app icons and tap on explore benefits and scroll down, then tap on start your free month. And I hope your problem has been solved successful and your WhatsApp icon changed successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now.